Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the classic chat text size on the Discord app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the Discord app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, tap on the Settings option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, scroll down the menu, find the Appearance option, and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu again and locate the Classic Chat Text Size option. This is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap on the Classic Chat Text Size option, then tap on the Save option at the top of the screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.